Greetings once again, VAC fans. I have here Thomas Rechtenwald's Kirby Sentria 1, and we're going to do a flower everywhere all over the carpet floor under something or other carpet edge cleaning test. So let's go ahead and get started. And this is obviously airflow related. Agitation will help for underneath the carpet, but beside the carpet, on top of the carpet, and under the carpet, that's definitely going to be a lot of airflow. And this guy, as a reminder, 127. So more than a G6, less than a Sentria 2. All right, away we go. Let's take a peek, and as you can see, I got too much of a blob of flour off to the side, and that pretty much isn't going to get picked up very easily. Top of the carpet, yep, that's a clean sweep. Right here along the edge, almost a clean sweep. Had a lot of flour there, left some little bits, and let's see what we have. Yep, that's pretty clean. Let's check the carpet for clogged pores. Nope. So really clean on the underside of the carpet and the concrete below the carpet. So great test. That one's my fault over there. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tests.